What if I told you the fastest way to build wealth starts by attacking debt with everything you've got? No refinancing, no balance transfers, no shortcuts, just pure focus, and the unstoppable force of momentum. Dave Ramsey calls it the debt snowball, and it's helped millions go from drowning in payments to completely debt-free. And once you've crushed your debt, we'll build your safety net, a full emergency fund that makes you untouchable. Welcome back to our finance book summary series on the Total Money Makeover. Last time you learned the truth about money and took the first step, saving $1,000 to stop living in crisis mode. Now it's time for baby step 2 and 3, the steps that will completely transform how you live, think, and breathe about money. No more minimum payments, no more panic. This is where you take your income back, forever. Ramsey doesn't sugarcoat it. Debt is slavery. Every dollar you owe is a slice of your future already spent. You can't out-earn stupidity with money. You can't invest your way out of chaos. You can't win until you stop bleeding cash. Think about it. If you had zero debt payments, no car, no credit cards, no student loans, how much money would you keep every month? $1,000, $2,000, maybe more. That's not just cash flow, that's freedom flow. Here's how it works. Ramsey's simple but genius plan to destroy debt forever. List all your debts, smallest to largest. Ignore interest rates for now. We're not after math perfection, we're after behavioral victory. Make minimum payments on every debt except the smallest one. Attack the smallest debt with gazelle intensity. Throw every spare dollar at it until it's gone. Once it's paid off, roll its payment into the next one, just like a snowball rolling downhill, picking up size and speed. It's psychology, not arithmetic. Paying off a $300 store card might not make sense mathematically, but emotionally, it's huge. You get a win, you taste progress, and progress fuels persistence. Ramsey calls it the momentum effect. Take the Watkins family. They owed $42,000 across student loans, a car, and credit cards. They used the debt snowball. Every bonus, side job, and tax refund went into that snowball. Each time a debt vanished, they screamed, "We're free," and taped the balance to the wall. In just 18 months, they were completely debt-free. They didn't use luck, they used focus. That's what makes the snowball powerful. Not math, but momentum and emotion. In Proverbs 6:5, it says, "Deliver yourself like a gazelle from the hand of the hunter." That's the attitude you need toward debt. You can't stroll out of slavery, you have to sprint. Ramsey calls it gazelle intensity, a total emotional commitment to freedom. You sell stuff, you work overtime, you eat beans and rice, you live on less than you ever thought possible, because once you're debt-free, you'll live like no one else can. Once every debt, except your mortgage, is gone, you move to baby step 3, building a fully funded emergency fund. How much? 3 to 6 months of expenses. If your household spends $3,000 a month, that's $9,000 to $18,000 in savings. Why? Because life will happen. The car breaks down, the water heater dies, the company downsizes. But when you have a fully funded emergency fund, life's emergencies become inconveniences, not crises. It's not just financial protection, it's emotional armor. Money in the bank is like oxygen. You don't think about it until you can't breathe. The purpose isn't to get rich yet, it's to get stable. Something changes when you're debt-free with a full emergency fund. Stress levels drop, marriages heal, your brain stops living in panic mode. Ramsey calls it financial peace. You've built a buffer between you and life, and that buffer is what allows you to dream again. Debt steals your income. Kill it before it kills your freedom. The debt snowball works because it builds momentum, not math. Gazelle intensity turns emotion into progress. A 3 to 6 month emergency fund creates true peace of mind. Financial freedom starts with control, not cash. What's the first debt you'd attack in your own snowball? And how many months of expenses would make you feel safe? Drop your answer below, and let's celebrate every small win together. You've destroyed debt, you've built your safety net, and now, it's time to grow. In the next video we'll move into baby step 4 and 5, the keys to building wealth and securing your family's future, investing 15% of your income and saving for college. So hit like subscribe in because your journey from survival to success continues next.